Hi, this is Anne from Blooming Anomaly, and today I want to show you how to prune roses. So what you want to do is find a spot above 5 leaves where there's a little node and cut it above there. You can see a little node poking out. Do this right. Okay, this one is 2, so I'm just gonna do it from the set of leaves that's a little higher up. There should be a little node right here. I'm gonna cut it back a little bit. There. So there's a tiny node right here, and I'll just prune it right above it. There. This might be easier to find than others. You just have to find what works best for you. So let's say I just do it like this. I'm showing you the wrong way to do this. There's nothing growing. This one's actually already growing one right here, but I'm just going to cut this part off to give it more room to grow. If you want to learn more about pruning roses and anything gardening related, please visit my site at www.bloominganomaly.com.